Hey, let's slow down for a moment. I want to share something that might genuinely help you out. There's a product that's been getting a lot of love lately, not because of hype, but because people are having real positive experiences with it. It offers a smooth, comfortable performance, it's designed beautifully, and it's so easy to use that it just blends into your routine without any stress. The thing that surprised me most was how naturally it fit into my day. It didn't require effort, it just made things easier. If that sounds like something you'd appreciate, then take a moment and click the link in the description. It might be exactly what you've been needing. Hold up, don't skip this. Click the link in the description right now, because this might be the most useful thing you find today. Here's why everyone's recommending it. It actually delivers. The performance is smooth, the design feels... Hey, let's slow down for a moment. I want to share something that might genuinely help